Hello everyone. So today we will start with the file handling concept. First of all, obviously some theoretical part just for understanding purpose only. So first question obviously in our mind that what is file? So a file is a resource to store the data. Okay. As a part of programming requirement, we may have to store our data permanently for the future purpose. So now obviously if it is files, so we can have two types of files, text file and binary files. Text files are those which stores the data in the form of characters or string, and binary files are those which stores entire data in the form of bytes. So when I say binary files, it means you can store text, images, audio, video, etc. Coming to the main part, that is nothing but the file modes. So obviously the first file mode is W, or full form is write. So what is the meaning of this mode? This mode is used to open any existing file for writing purpose. That is the first use. And if the file contains some data already, then it will override the data. And the third one, if the specified file is not already available, then this module will create a new file with that name. The next one is nothing but the R. So R is nothing but for reading operation. So this mode is used to open existing file for reading purpose or reading operation. After opening, the file pointer is positioned at the beginning of file. And if the specified file does not exist, then we will get file not found error. And one more thing, if we do not mention the mode while opening the file, then by default, Python will open your file in read mode only. That is default. The next, it is nothing but A. And likewise, afterwards, it is W++, R++, or A++. Okay. So what is the meaning of A? It is for append. Okay. If the specified file does not exist, then this will create a new file. But only thing is, it won't override your existing data. So there are many modes available for text file. These are all for text file actually. For binary files, the same mode we have to use, but it is only thing is it is suffixed by B. That means, for example, if I say writing operation, it will be W and B. If I say reading operation, R and B. If I say append operation, A and B. Suffix with B is for binary files, and normal WRA is only for text file purpose. So now you all can see we have one program over here that we have different functions, also open function and close function. This is my open close function and this is my open function, and I'm trying to open one file xyz.txt, or if you want I can write dummy123.txt, any name, and it is for writing purpose actually. And this indicates the information will be displayed as it is on my output screen. First it will display name, then it will display it is open in which mode, then it will give you the answer. It is in the readable format, true or false. Writable format, true or false. Is your file is closed, again true or false. And again, once you are done with f.close, and you all can see again we have written f.close, that means now your actually file is closed, so last output will be true. So let's check the output of this. Control S and F5. See, last output is for true, that is for sure. File name, writing purpose, it is not for reading purpose, it is actually writing purpose, and it was not closed, and then we closed, and that's why it is first it is false, and then next it is what? True. This is false and this is true. And also if you want we can check over here also. There is the dummy or dummy123, this one, dummy123.txt, today's date and file is created if it was not there. Okay, and 0 KB because of no data. So that is actually all about only the introduction part of file handling. Okay. In my next video, we will start in detail about write and write lines, how to append, obviously, and then how to use different read operation like read line. Then we have a read lines also, only read, etc. So thank you everyone.